Welcome back, everyone. Today we will be breaking down this viral track from 2021. So without any further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. And if you'd heard this track before, then do drop a like. Having a look at the rhythm section, we can hear a kick being used. As well as a snare. And a hi-hat. Moving ahead with the bass section, the drop has an 808 which goes like. Let's hear it with the drums. In the verse, a bass guitar has been used. Now, let's have a look at the melody section. This comprises a main guitar. And a counter guitar melody in the hook. And also a vocal melody. In the FX section, some transition effects have been used. A crash. So this was it with the elementation of the track. Let's finally hear how the track sounds along with the vocals.
It's JB.
तुरदियां जदों थोड़ा होर बोल दे पहुंचे पिछे झांजरां दे बोर बोल दे अजे तक नैन सिले सिले वेख ले तारे अजे जुत्ती उत्ते थल्ले वेख ले फिक्के जे फरोशी कित्थों आंदे होए आ वालां विच उलझे परांदे होए आ सब कुछ चेते हर गल गौली नी कदों कदों तेज कदों तुरे हौली नी देख लिया तैनू बड़ा जी पर के रह गियां ने बस कलावां सोहणिए ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਆਵਾਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਸਾਥੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਰਛਾਵਾਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਆਵਾਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਸਾਥੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਪਰਛਾਵਾਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ